Quit biting her ears, bro. She's gonna get bigger than you one day. All right. Uh-oh.
Turn you over to blood flow throughout. Means everything she's been saying has been
Everything.
So you still don't know what's wrong with her? I'm sorry. It's Foreman, trying to update House, but his phone's up. House! He's not here. Patient's losing blood faster than we can transfuse. And then an online search found out Kean travels with his dog. We're treating for rickettsia. Any idea where he... Oh, no. I was supposed to be getting paper 5 minutes ago.
What's he doing?